To become really efficient at managing our time, we first need to understand that our beliefs shape our realities. How we handle our time in every aspect of our lives is influenced by what we believe about it. So, if we want to get better at time management, we need to look at and maybe change our beliefs. If you think you're great at managing time and getting things done, you'll likely excel in those areas. But many people have quirky ideas about time management. Some think they're good at it when they're not, while others worry that being too organized means losing spontaneity and becoming less themselves. The truth is, the better you are at managing your time, the more freedom you have to be spontaneous and do what you love without stress. Everyone wants to feel successful and victorious, and the way to get that feeling is to win. And how do you win? By taking immediate action and adopting winning habits. Effective time management not only reduces stress, but also gives you more freedom to enjoy life. In life, just like in a race, successful people set up their own finish lines to aim for. When you complete a task, no matter how small, it feels like a little victory, and it's satisfying. For example, washing your car or tidying up the inside might seem minor, but when you step back and see the clean results, it makes you happy. That's because when you win, your brain releases endorphins, nature's happiness boosters, which make you feel even better. This boost from small victories not only makes you happier, but also increases your self-esteem and confidence. When you feel good about what you've accomplished, you naturally become more likable and charming. Believe it or not, just by setting a goal and achieving it, you can enhance your likability. Recognize that your time is valuable, just like money. Both are essential parts of your life and contribute to your overall happiness. You can trade your time for money by working, and you can also spend money to save time. When you combine managing time and money, you're essentially managing your life and seeking happiness. Understanding the connection between time, money, and happiness is crucial for effective life management. When we talk about time management, we're really talking about having plenty of time to be happier in all areas of our lives. This means finding joy in our work, spending quality time with loved ones, taking care of our health, focusing on personal and professional growth, nurturing our emotions, and exploring our spirituality. As you start to view time differently, understanding it as the key resource in life, your mindset about how you use your time will shift. You'll begin to prioritize and use your time more effectively, enhancing your overall well-being and satisfaction in life. For example, realizing that spending time with family brings more joy than working extra hours can shift your priorities. Or, choosing to spend money on services that save you time, like house cleaning, can free up more time for activities that improve your quality of life. By seeing time as your most valuable asset, you'll make more conscious decisions that lead to a happier and more balanced life. When you tackle your to-do list and choose to do the most important task first and then finish it, it's like hitting a high point. Your brain releases endorphins which flood your body and make you feel really good. You might even feel so happy that you want to laugh out loud. Your heart beats faster, you smile a lot, and you're just in a great mood. Sometimes you might even work late into the night to finish a task. Even though it's really late and you should be tired, you actually feel happy and energized. You might find yourself unable to sleep, wandering around, maybe even watching a little TV, all because you feel fantastic. So what do winners do? They try to recreate this feeling over and over again until it becomes like a positive addiction. This positive addiction comes from consistently setting and completing important tasks that really matter in your life. Some people might wonder, don't you lose your spontaneity if you're always working on top tasks? But when you work on things that are important to you and feel good about it, you're happier overall. The people around you start to respect and admire you more. You feel proud of yourself, and you build a positive reputation, People like being around you, and you might even find yourself earning more money because of your success. By focusing on and finishing the most important tasks first, you create a cycle of positive feelings and energy. This not only makes you feel great, but also boosts how others perceive and interact with you. You get a natural high from endorphins, feel more energized, and end up happier and more successful in all areas of your life. The way you see yourself, like looking into a mirror inside your mind, affects how well you perform in the outside world. It's true. When we talk about self-image modification, it means that if you start to see yourself as a great time manager, your actions in managing time will improve. So, how do you change the way you see yourself? One way is by rethinking and adjusting your idea of who you should be. Our self-image is often shaped by the people we admire and look up to, whether we know them personally or not. So, here's a question. When it comes to managing time, who do you admire the most? Who do you want to be like? Maybe there's someone you think is very well organized, productive, and always gets a lot done. Well, you can start modeling your behavior after that person. Try to act more like the most effective time manager you know, and guess what? Your own time management skills will start to improve too. People who think far ahead about their lives and careers often make smarter choices about how they spend their time compared to those who only focus on the present. Here's a key to success. Thinking about the long term helps you make better decisions in the short term. Successful people have a clear vision of where they want to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. They look at their current actions and decisions to make sure they're in line with the future they want. In simpler terms, thinking ahead helps them make the right choices. Let me share a simple formula I call the A-B formula. When you look at your tasks, you'll find two types: A tasks and B tasks. A tasks are the ones that propel you towards your biggest goals, like increasing your income or improving your lifestyle. On the other hand, B tasks are things like chatting with friends or watching TV. Fun, but they don't really move you closer to your goals and can even distract you. The key is to focus primarily on A tasks. Many people spend most of their time on B tasks and then wonder why they're not progressing. Successful folks who prioritize A tasks become highly valued in their careers, often seeing significant income growth because they're making impactful contributions. It's crucial to think long-term about where you want to be and align your actions accordingly. By focusing on tasks that truly matter and simplifying your approach, like businesses streamline operations, you can achieve better results both financially and emotionally. Let's dive into the importance of self-esteem in managing time effectively and achieving success. Self-esteem is all about how you see and value yourself. When you're able to accomplish tasks that matter to you, like managing your time well, it boosts your self-esteem. This not only makes you feel better about yourself, but also makes you more pleasant to be around and increases your overall happiness in life. Successful people are those who think ahead and are willing to delay immediate gratification for long-term gains. They focus on tasks that lead to career advancement, such as starting work early, continuously learning, and prioritizing important tasks. On the flip side, unsuccessful individuals prioritize short-term pleasures without considering the future consequences. For instance, they might spend time chatting or procrastinating, which can lead to missed opportunities and dissatisfaction later on. Imagine gaining an extra 2 hours every day by being more productive. That's 500 extra hours a year. How would you use that time? Whether it's boosting your career, pursuing personal passions, or improving various aspects of your life, having a clear goal in mind motivates you to manage your time effectively. By understanding which tasks contribute most to your goals, you can prioritize wisely and achieve greater success in the long run. Effective time management begins with setting clear goals each morning or ideally the night before. This practice allows for a fresh perspective and generates productive ideas. Identify the most crucial task for the day by asking what you would prioritize if you could only do one thing before a month-long absence. Start with the most impactful task first, even if it seems daunting. Stay focused on it, returning like a gyroscope to center despite distractions until completion. Consistently applying this approach not only boosts productivity immediately but also enhances long-term success. Successful individuals prioritize tasks that lead to significant achievements and career advancement, avoiding the lure of tasks that don't contribute meaningfully. Balancing work with breaks, planned vacations, and regular exercise is crucial for maintaining overall well-being and sustained productivity. These activities not only recharge energy levels, but also foster creativity and ensure a fulfilling life, supporting effective time management and lifelong success. Thanks for watching, bro. Subscribe and see ya.